up a river, wide as the sea. He slept on the banks, on the leaves of a banyan tree, and all of his spirit voices rule the night. Some stories are magical, meant to.
Adom from OPD Sabre Oshemia. Bigina Tema Community 25 a quantum pono eso. Young Quantanaya, Ubetimibia call a DVLA. Na Ebinsu Betimia call a Tema Community 25. Accra Tema Motorway, any idea. But Yamian Ukraine for more than a years. And a quain penny for a giant a jemwa. Na Sauha Quinoa. Ubetimia can't say, Emrebia and Ekamu, na quain. Na meka say traffic light eni so edini senti empenifo be ye speed ramps edigu kwan so batanche ena omde eye traffic light ebeka ho na mom ade ba ku bi emese ewo kwan so ene say wo mo be speed ramps ye traffic light ne ba ye no o man pamfi anke say ye betutu eye speed ramps no every ekwan so enti say traffic light ne so green na obi antimi nko obi antimi ma be one traffic na san block ye busa e obi asede se e wo se nipa no eye nanso obi agya na jejemu obi ase emfa ne ho na ye busa se e kwan ben na be fa so ama ye betimi atu we ase kra enche ye eye afefofra etwa mu ena eye police ni bia wono nso oba eye visibility police officer ogina kwai so eye checking prekope obi twa mu ena ekwo wi akire no na che se akwanhia ena sa police ni enya ofa mu kura hwe ne nkwa na ebusa se ede ne betimi aye afa kwan ho efise mpanimfo akasefo a etikwan so no ese woni enso ka kire but abribia na e wase ebom mpanimfo ho ban ana wada ba ye no msusu a yenya mpanimfo e wo man Ghana mu ye be ne den ene enso ye ho atimi atoyen sika no ho Ghana Highway Authority for I know you guys can do something better for this nation. Shakwain. I ain't na yefaso. Ese wani enso ka kire. Ye be den ena Ghana etimiafa ne ntoma pabi etimiafra ewo Accra yakwantempo so especially Tema Afrawo Road, Tema Community 25. Ebra watwa eye Accra Tema motorway na wie a wodi wani akire mu se wokọ Afrawo. Company ba ko a metimi aka e de akire omo hu ni se eye TT Brothers ha pepepe ena eye asemi ewo na embenifo mra no mayamwa na Ghana yakwantempo bi so edimfa ne nto apa enye den infra Adom TV OPD abribia de say yampon ye kasa charge issues ewo my Ghana mu.
Sailed up a river, wide as he slept on the banks, on the leaves of a banyan tree, and all of his spirit voices rule the night. Some stories are magical, meant to be sung, songs from the mouth of the river when the world was young, and all of his spirit